Namaste student, myself Jevin Anshika Kushwaha, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. So today's session is phylogeny of invertebrate and vertebrate phyla, concept of species and ecosystem. So today we are moving towards vertebrate and invertebrate. So basically animals have been classified into two main categories based on the presence and absence of the backbone or a spinal column. Apart from this, there are more difference between vertebrate and invertebrate. So there are difference between vertebrate and invertebrates are invertebrate do not possess a backbone, not an internal skeleton, while vertebrate possess a backbone and an internal skeleton. Then invertebrate have no skeleton, exoskeleton, while vertebrate do not possess an exoskeleton. So body size varies, but most differently, generally smaller than vertebrate. However, some invertebrate grow to gigantic proportions, such as colossal square, 46 feet in length. While vertebrate generally are comparatively larger than invertebrate, so nearly all invertebrate possesses an open circulatory system, while all vertebrate have closed circulatory system. So, invertebrate can simply be identified as animals do not have a backbone. They are most almost found almost everywhere, from the hottest desert and deepest seabeds to the darkest caves and to the tallest mountain. As stated before, invertebrate are the animal which mainly lack a skeleton system. This means most of them do not possess a rigid body structure, and as a result cannot grow very large. Anatomically, most invertebrates have an open circulatory system where blood flows in an open cavity. Most invertebrate also possess a simple respiratory system, with the most common from being gills and trachea. So invertebrate are the most advanced of species of the animal kingdom. Membrane members possess a well-defined internal skeleton system, which include a backbone. In human, the spinal cord run along the body between the caudal and cranial region, connecting to the nerve tissue. Vertebrates also have more complex and specialized organ system when compared to invertebrate. Organ systems like the respiratory system are quite complex with many additional functions. Even the sensory organs are advanced, which helps vertebrates adapt to their respective environment. On an average, the overall count of vertebrates existing on planet Earth is around 57,000 to 58,000. Example of vertebrate include odd chordates such as mammals, birds, fish, reptiles, and amphibians. So the main characteristic of vertebrate are that they member have bilateral symmetrical body and a brain enclosed with skull. So brief explain of characteristic of invertebrate are that their most primary characteristic absence of spinal cord. This means that membrane under the case lack a hard bony internal structure. However, in some membranes, a hard exterior structure called the exoskeleton is present. So its example is crabs, lobster, and ammonites. So while the vertebrate characteristic briefly are they are more complex organism when compared to invertebrate. The primary difference between the two vertebrate possess a backbone and an internal skeleton. In some vertebrate, the bones are replaced with cartilage, as seen in shark. Another defining characteristic of vertebrate is that they reproduce sexually. So this is all about the vertebrate and invertebrate. So if you like this video, if you have any kind of query, you can write in comment section. Thank you.